If you're seeing a Beehiiv subscriber import error, don't worry, because in this video I'm going to walk you through the exact steps to fix it quickly. This usually happens when the file format is wrong, the email column is missing, or the list contains bad contacts that Beehiiv won't accept. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to clean up your list and import your subscribers the right way. If this video helps, please hit like and subscribe for more simple software tutorials. Now, let's jump in. First, log into your Beehiiv account. Once you're inside your dashboard, look at the menu on the left and go to Audience. This is where Beehiiv manages all of your subscribers, contacts, and audience tools. Next, click on Subscribers. This will open your subscriber list and give you access to import options. From there, click Import Subscribers. This is the section you need to use when adding a new list of contacts into Beehiiv. Before you upload anything, the first thing you need to check is your file format. Make sure your file is saved as a CSV. Beehiiv works best with CSV files for subscriber imports, and using a different format can trigger an error right away. If your file is in Excel format or something else, export it again as a CSV before trying to import. After that, open the CSV and make sure it contains a valid email column. This is one of the most important parts of the import process. Beehiiv needs a clear email field to identify each subscriber, so if the column is missing, named incorrectly, or empty, the import may fail. Double-check that the header says email and that every row has an email address underneath it. Next, scan through the file and make sure all email addresses are properly formatted. A valid email address should look complete with the name, the @ symbol, and the domain. If there are typos, missing symbols, extra spaces, or broken entries, Beehiiv may reject those rows during import. It helps to review the file carefully before uploading, because even a few incorrect addresses can cause problems. Then, remove duplicate email addresses from the file. If the same contact appears more than once, Beehiiv may run into import issues or ignore duplicates during the process. Cleaning duplicates first makes the upload smoother and keeps your list organized. After that, remove any invalid or malformed email addresses. These are entries that are incomplete, misspelled, or obviously not usable. The cleaner your list is, the more likely the import will succeed without errors. Finally, remove unsubscribed, bounced, or suppressed contacts. These contacts should not be imported again, and Beehiiv may block them for compliance reasons. Keeping them out of your CSV helps avoid import errors and protects your sending reputation. Once your file is cleaned up, go back to Beehiiv and try the import again from the subscriber's import screen. In most cases, fixing the file format, email column, duplicates, and bad contacts will solve the problem. If this tutorial helped you fix the Beehiiv subscriber import error, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and check out the next tutorial for more quick Beehiiv fixes.